Oh, Cali brought in a leaf bug. It's like 20 after 10 at night, Saturday night. Cali saw that and she was going nuts. And on top of my bench on the on top of my bench on the balcony, there's a live locust. It was laying on its back. I turned it over by its wings and it moved, so it's still alive. So that'll be her next bug tonight alone. Uh-oh, get him, Cali, get him. Get that leaf bug. You're too cute. Get him, Cali, get him. Don't let him get away. Get him, Cali. Well, get him. Don't let him get away from you. Oh, she likes playing with that. Oop, she's breaking off his leg. Oop, there's a leg laying there. Took his legs off so he can't run away. That's smart. That's too funny. Cat, oh, she's eating his legs. She likes leaf bug legs. We like chicken legs, but she likes leaf bug legs. Trying to get that other back leg. Oh, the picture keeps jumping. I don't know what's that causing that. Cali, you just gonna leave him there? You got one leg in you. Well, get him. He's dying now. Now you don't want him, huh? There's another bug outside. Mama saw another big bug outside. You want to go get the other bug outside? Well, come here. There's another one out here. He's on the bench. Oh, yes. He's on the bench. Yep, he's still there. He's like dying. He's on his back again. Right here, baby. Look. There he is. Big bug. That's a big fly bug. Oh, get him. He's gonna squeal, I know it. Cali, don't you go out there. Oh, he fell down, didn't he? That's okay. I'd rather him fall down than you. Well, come on in now.